You know?
You know the celebrator? That's actually really neat. Did you celebrate our birthday?
Of course I did.
Mummy said it.
Celebrate your birthday like how?
Celebrate your poor.
Yeah, there you go.
Hi, we're in Yacht. You can see the slides and the pool if you look down. And it's a really good view. But we're not moving yet because we have to wait for everyone to get to. But we got all like first in our room because other people's rooms not probably better.
Whoa! Oh my god, that's so scary!
It's a bit trippy, isn't it?
Oh, I can't do it!
Yeah.
Oh,
Slippery.
Oh, look, where did it break? What if someone jumps up and down on it? I thought you'd walk over the sea.
Where's Mummy?
I thought you'd walk over the sea.
No,
I would have been better.
there's one further up as well.
Someone needs to lock it.
there's a few people waving. Yeah.
I don't see
The
anyone.
boat.
Yeah.
Is the boat moving?
We're moving.
Hi! Hi! Hi!
You know you guys are standing where?
Yeah.
Are they cheering for
Yep.
us? Bye! Bye! Have a lovely cruise holiday! Have a fun holiday! Have a lovely stay!
Yeah, what really?
Oh, you know what I mean?
Come on,
Yeah.
babe.
When Daddy was-
Honey.